Finally, the answer where we don't they get look for since that question where they our heart all this while, my people, the answer don't finally come out. For now, where they follow me, where they wonder like me, say how come Nigeria uniform people know they get head, they know they think, they just they do things anyhow. My people, I don't bring the answer. You understand? Because Buratai don't finally confess. Oh. You know, say before we been they wonder say how come these people go sit down for this kind big positions? Yet people they die. Yet no change, nothing. My people, Buratai don't finally come out. And according to him, he say him father been passionately they love Buhari. Like when you say, in fact, the love where the father been give for Buhari, na fire. You understand? And because of all those many goodies, now so the Buhari can say okay, making pay the father as a good reward. You understand? You can't give Buratai the title, the chieftaincy, in fact, I be make una help me with English. He can appoint him as the chief of army staff because of the father. I'm not sure say una even get him because of the father. No be because he go school, no be because he learn am, no be because he know the work, because of the father. Hi, Chineke. How na expect me Boko Haram end? How na they think say Boko Haram go end? When they select people based on familiarity, they select people based on, okay, I know this one, oh, this one did me good. I bet na like that they do. If not like that, then una know where I suppose dey by now. Now so, now why Nigeria still dey where e dey now? Now why Nigeria still dey? 98% of all the uniform people where una dey see today, now like this they enter. My father know this person. My uncle knows my auntie's cousin's daughter that has a husband. In fact, many, no school, no training, no knowledge about the work, no, in fact, some of them self I don't even know what police mean. Ask, no, just try stop person, ask her, say, please, what is the meaning of police? Some of them don't even know. The only thing where they know that the color of uniform where they wear. Nigeria. It be like say Northerners and Buhari take oath. Say any day where Buhari stop to the support them, Buhari go die. I no just don't understand. Okay, no, not the Buhari way we know, because we know say that one don't go. This one. It be like saying that the oath where they take, because I know every day different things. If Nigeria na real country, the way other countries be real country, by now Buhari, Buratai, even Buratai Papa, Northerners, by now they suppose they behind bars. They suppose they behind bars, because I not just understand. You just sit down for seat. We don't know what they do for that seat. What do they do for that seat? I bet resign. Make people will get head enter there. But una don't say no. Make una continue. Continue for 2023. Make una listen to me. Where all of una where they wear uniform. 2023. If una no get enough reason why you suppose dey for that uniform group, we go remove you, because we no want people wey no know wetin they dey there for. We need people that know the work and they know why they are there, because many of una even take oath. I'll protect the citizens with my life. Now the citizens even they protect themselves with their life. Now just they do nothing. Very shameful. As it is now, my people, if you no go military school, no bother yourself. Because if you go now, you are wasting your time, you are wasting your money, you are wasting everything. They no go select you. Now Northerners, they fine. You know how many graduates where they sincerely go this military school thing? You know how many of them they outside? They know they look them. They find Northerners. All those not Buhari. Hey. Anyhow, Sha, may they not to say I don't come spoil people mind. You understand? But me, I don't talk my own. Now my own be this. I never see any administration where fail. Like Buhari administration. No. Before we they complain, Jonathan, I beg. Jonathan a small God for where Buhari dey. Argue am with your pillow. I don't talk am. You understand? My people, na the matter be this, so I wan know wetin una dey think concerning this case. Drop am for the comment section. E dey very very important. Una don see now, don bring them, don expose them. Na the reason be this why Nigeria no dey move forward because of things like this. So drop am for the comment section if you get anything to add or against wetin I don talk. I still wan know, I go reply una one by one. Make sure say you share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen for One on One TV. I love you guys. See you. Wahala for who don refuse to share husband. Oh, my people now side chicks, they take people by force. They say no be them go carry last. This one a male nurse, my people. Hi, Chimeke. Even as I want talk this thing, my body they do me chingoli. Male nurse where they work for hospital, he get side chick, he still get wife. Where any day where they on duty, this man go they carry the side chick. You understand? They don't plan am already. It automatic. Any day way in their duty, this girl go follow body, go lie down for bed. Like say she dey sick, they go even put a drip. Although una know how normal person when sick they put her. Na like that too. She go come like that, do like say she dey sick. When everybody don't, you understand? They know how their movement they go. So the man go enter room, they go fire down. They do this thing for, in fact, very long time. Na so person wey know the wife go report to the wife, say madam, na this thing dey go on. This woman can't trace una never marry crazy woman before. This woman can't trace them. If una see beating, make I no even talk too much. I don't say una don dey salivate already, because for una wey no know wetin dey happen. Join me, make we watch the video.
What? Bitch. Bro, come on. Bro, come on. Wait. Let me go, bro. Let me go. Come on. Wait.
I beg, I also no believe me. I just want they show to no believe me, they laugh. I beg. My people waiting they shele. Chineke. Women. See, I don't bring una plenty secrets today. You understand? All of una we no say una dey married. Make una see, if I be you, I go sit down balance with this thing when they use watch me now. No shake am, no move. I be una no say na husbands they go work like this man. I beg, on a normal day, you know say, see, no be just men. Normally everybody some days day way we just feel like okay, make we day house. You understand? But you not dey like that with some men. Oh, some men if weekend even they reach, they vex. They vex say, oh, now go day house, I go day house, I go day. They know they like, see, if they even give them chance, they go even they work Sundays. Make una take note of those men. When work time don't reach, some of them go even they deny breakfast. Ah, baby, won't you eat? No. They go, they rush, they go. They know waiting, they wait for them. So I beg all of una, married women, they use one eye, they look your husband. If you they notice say they rush anyhow, you understand? Make you not go end like this one. Jesus. Oh. See beating. Hey. That one even open leg. They show, you understand? See, the way una see say she dey naked, not be the wife she dey expect to. All that one for her mind. Let my baby just come, let us. Hi! Now her baby appear in a wife form. Chineke, this one sweet me, forget her. Una never see anything, no. This is just the beginning. All of una way, una don't decide say for this life, una no go give married women rest. Voila. See how she been like that. Like say she truly dey sick. She just dey. Why this life be like this? Why? Why? And the way una even dey, for una way even watch the video, una go notice say this woman, even people don't ready the video. Why? Because they don't already know say this woman they are aware. You understand? People already the video for una to see say this matter no be today. It don't dey happen. Chai. Wahala dey o. Wetin dey do girls nowadays? Wetin dey work una? Wetin dey do now with people husband? Wetin? Some girls go even dey open mouth dey tell you say, Madam Aproko, see, I don't like them young. I like them married because they are more experienced. Hey, on top person husband. Wahala dey o. You become patient automatically. Una no understand this thing. Any day wey this man dey on duty, this girl go fall sick by force. If I dey this hospital, if I be part of the people wey already know this thing, any day wey she come like this, I go refer am to another doctor. Abi you say you sick, I go send you go another doctor make dem examine you. Una no just like peace for this world. Una see when una dey in peace, una no like am. You kind people. This woman no even beat you safe. Like the beating wey even dey expect, make you drag am outside go public where people dey. Chineke. But wait my people, e get something wey I no even dey understand now. The man now where him go, like the husband where him go, na see say he run. When you know the kind woman wey you marry, now you still dey do. See my people, listen to me, men. You fit cheat o, although I no dey advise am, but you suppose know who you marry before you start. Some women dey be trailer. Chineke, any man wey marry me, you know wetin he carry o, because me I go do worse pass wetin this woman do. No even try am, lie. Me and you. Abeg I no dey chase una away, una fit come understand. Chineke. Wahala. See my people, this matter e dey very serious. Forget all this laugh wey I dey laugh, I no happy. See all of una wey una know say una dey chase people husband, slay queens, husband snatchers, una know una tag o. No be me go give una tag. See life, karma, everything real. Wetin you go dodge, you go meet una children. And e dey even possible say una no go marry. If una notice all these girls wey dey do this thing, they no dey marry. If you even lucky sef say you marry, you no go even happy for that marriage. And you go see say other girls go start to dey follow your husband. Other girls go start to dey follow your husband. And you no even suppose argue. See, make una stop dey fight. Because you go face am. Chai, abeg. I no wan kill myself before my time. Una don see the kind gbese wey person just carry. And I dey sure say after this one, they no go stop. Highest, they go just change destination. You understand? Location, I mean. They go change am. Say, okay, from now, we know they meet for this kind. I dey sure say this man, before this time, he dey love him job scatter. Because, in fact, he dey treat the patients with... No wonder una dey make mistakes for hospital. Your mind no go even focus again. Oh, you dey attend to patient, but your mind dey that side. Say, okay, after this one, I dey go. May God help una. May God help all of una. Una know say una dey involved in this case. May God help una. Abeg my people, na the matter be this o. And I still wan know wetin una dey think.